What's up, guys? If you are seeing this, go ahead and like, subscribe. You'll get notification for this job and others. This is a 24-foot Bristol Corsair. And look, guys, everything is painted. Cubbies. And underneath, I'm not going to paint inside the ankle locker. There's no reason for that. Plus, just enough paint to do all this. Put 2 coats. So, got fresh paint on all your storage here and on the ceiling, and that's on both things. So we're all done in here. I pulled all the plastic, obviously. We've got a little bit of a little bit of breach from the dust and the plastic, but nothing of that good. And I'm gonna wipe down your walls. Got some little wet rag and kind of, so not very itchy. Well, this is done. This looks dry, so even if you don't have paint, I can bed that and just paint around it. So I think this will probably complete this series of videos for this boat. So again, if you would, go ahead and like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot.